Welcome back to this amazing course of Microsoft Word. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use or how to apply text effects and typography in MS Word. So let's get into the video without any further ado. Guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my MS Word software. Now, in order to apply text effects in your text, your headlines, your headings, which you have written in your text area, you just have to go to this in home tab. You have to go to this font options, basically in font category, and in font category this is the option which will help you to apply font effects or text effects and typography, right? You just have to click here, and these are the options. Although I have already shown you the glimpse of these options, but in this particular video I'm gonna explain you this option properly, right? So as you can see here, these are the pre-made template, you can say, or pre-made designs which you can apply into your text, right? Basically these are pre-made font designs which you can apply. Let me just show you. First you have to select the text and then go to this option, and now you can just hover your cursor on these options and the effects will be automatically applying, as you can see here, right? And which one you want, you just have to tap on that option and that particular text effect or the text design will be automatically selected, right? Let's say uh let me select this because I want to apply more options here, so I don't want to select the design which is already over designed, right? So let me just select this one. This looks pretty simple, although in this particular text, as you can see here, the shadow has been applied and the text design is also been applied, but we can test few things. Now we do have few options over here like outline, shadow, reflection, glow. These are the main four options which you can apply into your text. Then this option is basically for the numbers, and then we have this ligatures, right, as you can see here. Then we have this stylic set, right? So this is basically for different kind of font, although this is not available in every font style, so you have to select a few particular fonts which are renowned font like Calibri and all like that. But let's start with the uh, outline, shadow and reflection option, then glow option, right? So as you can see here, I've already applied something, basically the font design over here. But now let's say I want to apply the outline in this particular font. So I just have to hover my cursor in this option, right, and then click, and here are the outline colors which I can choose in order to apply the outline. As you can see here, I'm hovering on red color and the red outline has been applied automatically, right? And if I want to select this, I just have to click here and the red outline has been applied. Let me show you just by making this font a little bit big so that you can see properly. Now as you can see, the outline has been applied, but there are multiple options in outline as well, right? Let's say I'm selecting this what is SEO option only, right? Now I'm applying different kind of styles in outline, right? So if you are not able to find the perfect color, you can just click on this option and you'll be able to see tons of options over here. Otherwise you can click on custom option as well. You can just enter the color code and you'll be able to find the perfect color which is your preference, right? Let me hit the cancel button again, go to outline. Now we have this weight option. Weight option is basically it will increase the weight or basically the width of your outline, as you can see here, right? So this is how weight option works. Then we have this dashes option. Let's say you want to apply dash into your text. As you can see here, different kind of dashes are here. If you're not able to see, let me just increase the size of it a little bit more so that you can see it properly. And now go back. Now let me apply the weight so that you can see the dashes properly. Now again outline option, then we have this multiple designs of dashes, right? So let's say I'm applying this one. Now if I want to customize these dashes and the weight of my line basically, so I just have to come here in more lines option, And once I click on more lines option, I get this advanced customization option. Now here in text field, text outline, we have this no line option if you don't want to apply the line. Then we have this solid line. Then we have this gradient option where you can select multiple colors in order to uh, make your text more cool, right? Now let me just select the preset gradients. As you can see here, these are the preset gradients basically. Let me just apply the green. Now as you can see, the green gradient has been applied here. Now let me select again and let me go back to solid again. Now here we have this few transparency option and all if you want to make your outline a bit transparent, as you can see here, right? Then we have this width option. If you want to increase the width a little bit more, like this, you can increase, right? Now it is looking worse. Now it is good. Now we have this compound type option. Compound type is basically it will increase the line or of your basically the outline, right? Let's basically right now we do have only one outline here, right? So if you want to apply two outlines, as you can see here, now two outlines are there, right? So this is how this compound outline works, compound type works, right? Now there is three outline. You'll be not able to see. I have to increase the size, but yeah, you got the point, right? Then we have this dash type. So dash type we have already seen. These are the dash types available in MS Word, right? Then cap type. Cap type is flat. If you want to make it square or round, you can do that as well. Let me select single line, and now yeah, let me select this one, right? Now you'll be able to see the cap type. As you can see here, now it is squarish, now it is round, the corner of the lines basically, right? So this is how the level of customization in MS Word, right? Even you can change the corner of your outlines as well, right? Then we have joint type. Joint type, in joint type we have this option, bevel and then meter. So there are no points basically, that's why we are not able to see any changes, right? So that's how you can customize your outline. Then once you are done with the outline, you can apply shadows, right? So in shadows we have three options: outer, then inner, then perspective. Outer is basically to apply the shadow, the outer surface of your text. As you can see here, as I'm applying the shadow, you'll be able to see that shadow that it is applying in the outer surface, right? And if you want to apply in the inner surface, right, as you'll be able to see, like, so it will, if you apply the inner surface, it will give you a bit 3D kind of effect or an embossed kind of effect, right, to your text. Then we have this perspective option. Perspective is like this. You might have seen these kind of shadows in different areas, in different advertisement, in different text content, right? So that's how you can apply the shadow as well. Then we have this advanced shadow options as well. If you click on this, you will be able to see these advanced options over here, right? If I click on presets, these are the presets which you can apply and customize those presets. Let's say I want to apply outer, this one, right? I've applied shadow in outer surface. Now I can control the transparency like this. Then I can control the size, right? Then I can control the blurriness of my text, right? Then I can control the angle of my text like this, right? Then I can control the distance as well, right? So I hope you understood the difference, that what are the things, what are the options you are getting in this MS Word tool, right? Then once you are done with shadows, we have this reflection option. Reflection is basically kind of shadow, you can say, but shadow is colorless, reflection is full colored, as you can see here. This is, I hope you understood that what is the difference between shadow and reflection, right? Now let me just apply this reflection. Yeah, now as you can see, the reflection has been applied. Now I want to make changes in reflection as well. So I do have this reflection options, basically this advanced reflection option, right? So we have this advanced reflection option. You can control the transparency. Let me select the text first. Now you'll be able to see the transparency level, right? The size, then the blurriness, then the distance, right? Now it is looking good. Then we do have these preset options. So obviously you can apply the idea according to your preference, right? Once you are done with your reflection, we have this glow option. Glow is basically, it looks like pretty simple, but yeah, yet effective. Let me apply one glow option as well. Let's say I want to apply yellow, because although it is looking very bad here, the color combination is pretty bad. I'm not a graphic designer, that's why. But yeah, just to show you, yellow color is a bit punchy so that you'll be able to see it properly. Now I can control the transparency. Oh, oops, this is for the uh, reflection option. So if you want to access the advanced setting of glow, you can just click here as well. You'll be able to see all the advanced settings like one by one, as you can see here. So this is the advanced settings for glow. Let me close the reflection settings. Now in glow we have these preset, then color, then size, then transparency level. So size is like this. If you want to increase the size or you want to decrease the size, then we have this transparency level, right? So I hope you understood how to design, how to use these options. Then we have this number style option. Number style is basically for the numbers which you are writing. Let's say I want to write this is the number. Now I want to apply number styles here. You'll be able to see different kind of number styles over here, right? These are the number styles, right? And these number styles are basically works with different kind of fonts. If you choose any another font, then the design will be totally different, right? Then we have, after number styling, we have these ligature options. Ligature options is basically kind of decorative things, and basically it helps you to increase the readability of your content, right? So you have to use these options, you have to explore these options so that you can learn. By just watching the video, you'll be not able to understand that how these options works, right? Then after ligatures we have this stylic set option, right? For that you have to select the text. I'm not selecting the text, that's why nothing has been applied, right? Oops, I've clicked on ligatures. Now as you can see here, the design I have applied here, that's why it is totally messed up. But let me select any another font so that I can show you, right? Now here, as you can see here, the stylic set is not applied on this particular font. That's why we are able to see all the text are same. But basically stylic set works with different kind of fonts, right? So you have to select the particular font that works with stylic set. Let me just select this one and let me go again. No, it is not compatible with stylic set, as you can see here. So you have to find out the font. It is your task to find out the font which can work with stylic set, and you will be able to find some amazing designs, text designs of your content. So I hope you understood how you can use these options, and I hope you learned from this video. And if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.